In addition to the many features provided by the myAudi app, battery charge scheduling for the Audi e-tron can be managed from a compatible connected device. To use the feature, the vehicle must have a primary user assigned and be logged into an active myAudi account in a mobile device. Registration of the primary user must be completed by an authorized Audi dealer. From the home screen, scroll to Charging Planning. If a charge is currently in progress, the Charge Progress screen will display. The current battery status will be displayed, as well as the estimated electric motor range. If the vehicle is currently being charged, it will show the estimated remaining charge time. From this screen, select Timer. From the timer screen, up to 5 different charging timers can be scheduled. To schedule a new charging time, select a timer. Choose a desired departure time, then select Repeat, and the days for this timer to be active. Return to the timer screen. If desired, enable climate control to precondition the cabin temperature prior to the set departure time. Once the timer parameters have been set, go back, and if desired, switch the toggle on to activate the timer, and then send the settings to the vehicle. With the vehicle connected to a charging station, the enabled timer will begin and end charging automatically. The myAudi app charging feature provides convenient, connected control of the Audi e-tron charging function.